Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fish tank kits is probably one of the most rewarding and enjoyable hobbies you can have, but choosing the right kit for your needs and budget can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll dive into the top-rated fish tank kits on the market, comparing features, sizes, and overall value to help you find the perfect setup for your home, whether you're a seasoned aquarist or a complete beginner. We will cover everything from tank size and filtration systems to lighting and accessories, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Number 5. Marineland Portrait 5-gallon. It features rounded corners and a clear glass canopy, so you can enjoy viewing from any angle. The modern look will complement any home decor. Bright white LEDs mimic sunlight, while blue LEDs create a calming moonlight effect. Watch your fish thrive under the realistic lighting cycles. The hinged LED lighting and sliding glass canopy make maintenance simple and convenient. Cleaning and feeding your fish has never been easier. This 5-gallon aquarium is compact yet spacious enough for a small community of fish. It's also designed to fit Marineland right-size Z filter cartridges. Its advanced 3-stage filtration system is discreetly hidden, keeping the aquarium looking clean and uncluttered. You get powerful filtration without sacrificing aesthetics. This aquarium kit is designed for simple assembly and effortless upkeep. Enjoy a beautiful, healthy aquarium with minimal effort. What we like. It has a modern and stylish design that will look great in any home. The hidden filtration system keeps the tank looking clean and uncluttered. If you're looking for a beautiful and easy-to-maintain aquarium, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The sleek and modern design with rounded corners and hidden filtration. The filtration is excellent with good surface area and water agitation, giving the fish plenty of oxygen. The lighting is excellent and lights up the tank, the living plants grow and stay green and healthy. The rear compartment is a really nice feature in that it hides all of the wires and accessories from the viewing area of the tank, a very clean and minimalist look. Number 4. Tetra 3-gallon aquarium kit. This beautiful aquarium kit is perfect for smaller spaces. It comes with everything you need to get started. It features a unique half-moon shape, giving you a stunning 180-degree view of your fish. Enjoy a panoramic view of your aquatic friends. Watch it cycle through a rainbow of colors with the built-in LED light. It creates a mesmerizing underwater scene. It includes a whisper-quiet filter to keep the water clean and your fish healthy. The filter is powered by the included air pump. The air pump powers both the filter and the bubbling disc, making it easy to maintain a healthy environment. It's all included for your convenience. The clear canopy has a convenient hole for easy feeding. Simply lift and feed your fish. What we like. Its unique half-moon shape offers a stunning 180-degree view of your fish. The color-changing light adds a fun and dynamic touch to your aquarium. If you want a complete and easy-to-use kit with a unique design, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes with a filter, one filter cartridge, air pump, lights and bubbler and of course all the various tubes and things. It has a clear hood so you can see the lights on the ceiling which is so beautiful. This tank has a unique shape, an adjustable air pump, LED lighting and filter. It's plastic, so better for beginners and betta fish. It has a beautiful lead bubbler and my son's betta fish loves it. Number 3. GloFish 10-gallon aquarium kit. It's everything you need to get started with your own stunning aquarium. Everything is included for a simple setup and happy fish. This kit contains a 10-gallon tank, LED lighting, a filter, water conditioner, fish food, and a helpful guide. You'll be ready to welcome your fish in no time. The unique LED lights beautifully showcase your GloFish and other tropical fish. It creates a vibrant and healthy environment for them. The internal filter keeps the water clean and clear, making maintenance a breeze. It's essential for healthy fish. Add your own personal touch with colorful gravel, plants, and decor to create a truly unique underwater world. Sold separately. It measures 20 inches long, 10 inches wide, and 12 inches high, the ideal size for a stunning centerpiece in any room. What we like. It's a larger tank, providing more space for your fish to swim and explore. The included LED lighting system will showcase your fish beautifully. If you need a larger tank with everything included to get started, this is a great option. What people say. The lid fit perfectly. It's a solid piece of acrylic. No leaks possible. Setup couldn't be any easier. Super simple. It is so quiet. Number 2. GloFish Crescent Aquarium Kit. This 5-gallon kit is perfect for showcasing your GloFish. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a beautiful crescent-shaped tank and a built-in filter. It features a unique crescent shape for a modern look. The seamless design makes cleaning easy and adds to its sleek appearance. The built-in blue LED lights highlight your GloFish's vibrant colors, creating a stunning underwater display. It's energy efficient and looks fantastic. It includes an internal filter that keeps the water clean and healthy for your fish. The filter cartridge is easy to replace, ensuring a pristine environment. The sleek black canopy helps reduce evaporation and prevents your fish from jumping out. It also has a convenient feeding hole for easy access. It's designed to enhance the beauty of your GloFish. This kit provides the perfect environment to showcase their unique fluorescent glow. What we like. The crescent shape is both stylish and space-saving. The hidden blue LED light creates a mesmerizing underwater glow, perfect for GloFish. If you want a stylish and functional aquarium that enhances the beauty of your GloFish, this is a great choice. What people say. The lid fit perfectly. Setup couldn't be any easier. Super simple. It is so quiet. It's a solid tank, and if you have the money, I would 10,000,000% recommend modifying the tank a little by gutting it if you're looking for the portrait look with more functionality. Number 1. Aqueon LED MiniBow Aquarium Kit. This beautiful little aquarium is perfect for small fish. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it ideal for beginners. It features smart clean technology, which makes water changes a breeze. You can perform a complete water change in under 2 minutes. This ensures your fish have the cleanest, healthiest environment possible. It's all about happy, healthy fish. Everything is included: the tank, filter, food, water conditioner, and even a helpful setup guide. It's ready to go right out of the box. It's the ideal aquarium for first-time fish owners of all ages. It's simple, fun, and a great way to start your fish-keeping journey. Keeping it clean is simple thanks to the included filter and easy-to-replace cartridges. Enjoy your beautiful aquarium with minimal effort. What we like. It features smart clean technology for quick and easy water changes. This makes maintaining the tank simple and stress-free. If you are a beginner or looking for a low-maintenance aquarium, this is perfect for you. What people say. The bowl is acrylic and it still looks new, no scratches, so be careful how you clean. The black rim stand is plastic and holds the bowl very well. It's the water weight that makes it durable. The filter works well but is a little strong, so I have Christmas moss free floating and let it clog the filter bottom a bit, plus stack natural rocks to keep him protected. The back cutouts are nice for thermometers and heaters. The light works well without being too strong. The flight circulates a lot of water flow, so that prevents biofilm to form. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.